My name is Jan-Paul Doelman. I'm from the Netherlands, and I have this project called Clear, where we make animations for NGOs.
Меня зовут Ян-Пол Добельман, я з Нідерландів, і я з проєкту Clear, який робить відео для некомерційних організацій.
I work with the Dutch embassy in Poland, and there's not an office in Belarus right now, but I worked with them, and they told me that there's a lot of good work being done in Minsk. So I think about 2 years ago I went here, and I talked to a lot of organizations, and also for the organization I work with now, and I understood that in Western Europe, there's not enough connection between organizations there and organizations here. So that's the reason. I think they can work together very well.
Правовая система Беларуси не всегда готова помочь людям с инвалидностью. Равнодушие общества и закона приводит их к вынужденной изоляции и даже к гражданской смерти. Просто попробуйте представить, что вы исключены из общественной жизни и больше не можете заниматься тем, что вам интересно.
I am going to the embassy again on Monday, actually, but what I found here is that there's a lot of stories that are not being told yet, and I want to tell them. And the more people come to me, the more I can show that this project has a lot of value. Just also, it can be organizations, but it can also be designers, and it can be storytellers. I really want to work with Minsk, not just Minsk actually, but Belarusian civil society and designers.